Mole concept. Atoms and molecules are very small in size. Even in a small amount of any substance, their number is very large. To calculate these particles, a unit of similar quantity is required. Hence, mole came in consideration. Let us understand mole. In SI system, mole is seventh base quantity for amount of substance. Mole is seventh base quantity for amount of substance. Its symbol is mole. Symbol is mole. E is removed from mole. To understand this mole more clearly, let us take some examples and understand this. This is a fixed value, like 1 dozen is equal to 12 items. 1 score is equal to 20 items. 1 gross is equal to 144 items. In same way, 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to power 23 items or entities or particles. In chemistry, these particles may be atoms, molecules, ions, electrons, protons. The mole of any substance always contain the same number entities, no matter what the substance may be. Number in mole is same, but their masses can be different. Okay, let us take some examples for this to understand. Like 1 dozen bananas is equal to 12 bananas. 1 dozen apples are equal to 12 apples. 1 dozen papayas are equal to 12 papayas. Numbers are same, substances are different. Let's see masses. 1 dozen of banana can be of 1.2 kilogram. 1 dozen of apples can be 2 kilogram. 1 dozen papayas can be of 6 kilogram. Masses are different, substances are different, but their numbers are same. Now, moles. 1 mole water is equal to 6.022 10 to power 23 molecules of water. 1 mole of sodium has 6.022 into 10 to power 23 atoms. 1 mole of NaCl has 6.022 into 10 to power 23 formula units of sodium chloride. Number of particles are same. Mole are same. Masses are different. Mass of 1 mole of water is 18 gram. Mass of 1 mole of sodium is 23 gram. Mass of 1 mole of sodium chloride is 58.5 gram. Numbers are same. Substances are different. Masses are different. Mole are same. Now let us understand the definition of mole. For this, definition of mole is 1 mole is the amount of substance that contains as many as particles or entities as there are atoms in exactly 12 gram of the carbon 12 isotope. What we understand from this? Mole is the number which is equal to atoms in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotopes. Let us understand how this number come. Mass of 1 atom of carbon 12 found to be 1.992648 into 10 to power minus 23 gram per carbon atom by mass spectrometry. meter. As we know, mass of 1 mole of carbon is mass of 1 mole of C12 is equal to 12 gram per mole. Okay. To calculate the number of atoms in 12 gram, we write number of atoms in 12 gram of C12. 12 gram 1.992648 into 10 to power 23 gram. After solving this, we get 6.0221367 into 10 to power 23 atoms. This is mole. For mole, another name is used, that is Avogadro's number. Mole is Avogadro's number or Avogadro constant. It is denoted by N0 or Na. This Avogadro number name was given in respect of Amedeo Avogadro. Thank you everyone for watching this video.